Well, hello. Welcome to winter. Brr, it's getting cold out. But don't worry, I have some fun, creative ways to get through this using some stop motion in Canva. Join me. Check out this e-card one of my students made using all stop motion animation completely in Canva. Check it out. As you can see, she had an absolute blast. Let's learn how to do this. Here I am inside Canva, and I'm going to quickly show you the steps to how to do this. The first step is to take photos of your students. I prefer to use the green screen because then it gives me the option to bring this into Doink or another green screen app to add video for the background, but there's another way you can do that here as well. So these pictures were taken with just 5 or 6 different poses. Now, I have real props. I really believe in having real props because it makes it easier, but you can certainly find in the element section some skis, some sleds, and toboggans that you can group and attach to your students, and it works just as fine. So each of these tracks here is one of the pictures where Louisa is situated on the track. And as it goes up, each one, we use a different picture and go ahead and place it in that spot. Now, we have removed the background of these pictures, and you can do that right under Edit Photo and Remove Background, which is so great. Even if you're on a green screen, you can still use Remove Background here. And with these pictures, as you can see, we have a sequence. So I used all of her poses, and then I made each one of the slides or each one of the scenes 0.1 seconds. Now, it's important to understand that you can't put a video background behind this at 0.1 seconds. It would just look glitchy. So what I did to give myself options is I made it green so I can take it into Doink or another program, add a video or stream this video, add a video behind that, and then you can do it that way. Or you can do what I did here. I took a picture right from Canva under photos. I just looked under snow mountains, grabbed the mountain and replaced my background. I also have some snow here that I had a lot of fun with, and I copied and pasted that, and that was all in the element section under snow. So here we go. And then what I did is I streamed this video and we brought it back into Canva to add the snow on top. And that was very, very easy, and an easy way to find snow in Canva is type snow. But my favorite thing here is these 3 little lines go down, straight down to animated. And now you have some animated options of snow. But like I said, I had to stream this video, bring it back into Canva as a regular video, and we added snow on the top. And there you have it. Have some fun. There are so many things you can do. Here's another student on slalom skis. So get creative and tag me in it because I'd love to see them. Happy skiing.